In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Amazon simple email service to send emails with GoPhish or any other application. Let's get right into this. So the first thing after you log into your AWS console is you want to search for SES. Then let's click on SES. Then you want to go to verified identities and you want to create a new identity. Note if you open SES, it might show up like this, and you can also create an identity from here. So let's create an email. Let's verify an email address. I'm just going to put in my email. I'm just going to create a new identity. So this will send a verification email to that email address. And once I click the verification link, this identity is going to be verified. So I'm going to check my email right now. So I have the verification email here, and I'm just going to click this link. Now my email has been verified. If I go back to this page and I refresh, then we can confirm the verification here. So the next thing we want to do is set up an SMTP user. So I'm just going to go to SMTP settings and I'm going to create SMTP credentials. So I'll create a new SMTP user and I'm going to create this user. So I'm going to view, and these are my SMTP credentials. Let me download this. Let's open this. And in this document, I have my SMTP username and SMTP password, just like I have here. So I can close this and I can now use this credential to send emails. So let's send a test email. Let's go back to verified identities. Then I'm going to send a test email to my other email address. So let's send this, and the email was sent successfully. Let's check my email. So we have the email from SES here. So an important thing to know is that you can only send emails to other verified Amazon SES accounts. This is to prevent fraud and other malicious activity. So to remove this limitation, you can go to your account dashboard and request production access. I'll show you how to do this in another video. Let's try this out with GoPhish. So I'm in my GoPhish sending profile here, and I'm just going to edit the SES template. So let's put in our email as the SMTP from. Then we'll leave the host as smtp.us-east. This depends on the zone you set up your identity in. Then I'm going to put in my username. That's the username I generated here. Let's copy this. Then my password. Let's copy this. I'll send a test email. Let's send this to my other email and let's see if this works. So email sent. Let me check my email. And we have a new email here. So that's how to set up Amazon SES to send emails with any application. That will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.